This is the Upper Deck Marvel Fleer Ultra Wolverine 2-box Pick Your Parallel. Break number 85. Let's go. Bro. Nah, but honestly, I'm down. $11:30? You must be, what is that, East Coast? It's only 8:30 for me here. Make sure this is the right one. 2 boxes. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Technically, yeah, but I don't know if I have to. I'd rather not work tomorrow. If it was here, I'd be like, it'd be fun, but not my other job. Dang, I'm down. Let's go. The nails are ready. I'm caffeinated. Chat is chatting. I'm down. All right, good luck, everyone. Here we go. Did we get the email? Let's fill Disney next. If you guys don't want to do the 2 boxers or the full case, I'm down for either. Did we get the email? I don't know if it's sending. Oliver, hello. I think that bruh one is broken. That's my favorite one too. Guess for $1,000,000,000. My other one is a nightclub. Very grateful for that job, but also it's tough, man. It's tough. Perfect. Thanks, Oliver. How you doing tonight? You caught me at the tail end yesterday, I think. Or I keep saying yesterday, but you know what I mean. Tuesday.
Bruh.
There it is, bruh. Very tired. Why are you so tired? Boo, work sucks. What do you do, Oliver? I think I'm gonna have to cut these guys. I can't. Hey, Blue! Came out of nowhere. I like the little vocal command things. It's entertaining. You manage gas stations? Never sleep, huh? I bet. don't think I've ever met anyone who manages a gas station. Do you see some crazies in there? Thick cards, yes, thick. Thicker than a Snicker. Yeah, these Fleer cards don't mess around. The upper deck reminds me of the hockey. $19.99 prices. What even was that? I got gas for $3 a gallon the other day and I felt rich. Yeah, back when the dollar menu was actually $1. Ha! I most definitely was. D-House. Don't let the Valley Girl accent fool you. I'm just from San Diego. Can't let it go. I know so much stuff about gas before I didn't even know I could add some diesel. I mean, I feel like most people don't know much about gas. I just put regular gas into my Audi because, I don't know. I'm sure it's fine, right? Huh? How does that relate? Oh my god, you're going to Comic-Con? How fun! I've always wanted to go to Comic-Con. I just always was working in Gaslamp. So it was like super fun because I got to be a part of it without like going into Comic-Con. But there was always events around, which was so fun. Food. Okay, well, what are you looking for? Like, what kind of food? I definitely recommend getting Mexican food. But not from like a sit-down restaurant. Go to a hole-in-the-wall taco shop. You will have the best Mexican food of your life. All right, guys, here we go. Good luck. Mr. Sinister. Okay, I haven't opened this product in a while. Please help me out if I miss something. I don't remember. Hold on, what am I looking for? What am I looking for? Nah, not El Gordo. Wait a minute. This is something. 4 of 9. Four of 9. This is like, I think you put this all together. 3 of 3. Thank you. That's what it is. 3 of 3. That's Mr. Roofer. Yeah, Dave. Great hits for you, for sure. Not El Gordo, D-House. I'm gonna look it up. It was this place right by where I used to live, and it literally looks like this grimy taco shop, but the best California burrito ever. I'll look it up for you. Seriously, Dave, that's where the luck is. Oh, we got a silver medallion. Oh, and a green team affiliations. X23. Team affiliations. Okay. Got you, D-House. Ooh, wow. Orange. Another team affiliations. Ooh, we got an X card. Cable on the X. Also, if you like surf and turf burritos, oh my god, what is Lucha Libre? Lucha Libre in Old Town. So good. Aliases. Another silver. Base green foils everywhere. Hope Summers. Mr. Sinister on the medallion. Lady Deathstrike. Ooh, Dakin. Greatest battles. What is that? Wolverine and Thor? When did they fight? Hey, Iron Man on the pop culture. That's Mike. That's Mike. Can't go wrong with a burrito. Elektra on the silver medallion. Greatest battles. What is the big hit in this? A claw cut cover? Oh, we got a blue. I know that's nice. Blue foil. That's USMC. To 181. Blue foil. Wish I could answer that for you, Dave. I don't know. Jean Grey on the silver. On the medallion. Whoa, what is that? I've never seen that before. Ultra Abilities, Deadpool. On the Ultra Abilities, that's Mike C. 12 of 31. That's cool. Very nice. While we're doing this, let's fill the 2 boxers or the full case. We can do it. Nice Saber. Oh no, what? I thought that was Sabretooth. Sebastian Shaw on the X. A yellow to 9. Whoa. That deadass looked like Sabretooth for a sec though. This is a great card. Wow. Who is this? X. Is it Blake? 3 of 9. Congrats. Dope hit. Super rare. Dope hit. Wolvie. And Daredevil on the medallion. Aliases, Mariko on the medallion. Team affiliations on the base. Nice X23 card. Gorgon on the medallion. It's either Blake or Lou. Shoot. Animation Cell. I think it's Blake. I think so. Nice Archangel base card. Nick Fury on the medallion. Nice green foil X23. Lake, yes. Greatest battles. Pop culture of Thanos. Nice. Love a Thanos hit. Thank you, Relax. Cyclops on the medallion. These are such nice cards. Team affiliations. Oh! We got a Wolvie 1 of 9. 1 of 9. On a 3x3? Is this a 3x3? This is probably so sick put together. Yeah. This is Mr. Roofer. Where's that other piece of it? We had it. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, so cool. Get in there. Oh, a blue foil of Mirage. That's USMC. Blue foil to 181 of Mirage. Greatest battles and Dakin on the medallion. Wow, that's a nice Electra card. I wonder how many he has already. Nice team affiliations on the green foil. Onslaught. Wow. Wow. Oh my God, that just popped out of nowhere. It's an auto. To 74, red foil auto. TJ, congrats TJ. Of Jean Grey nonetheless. Wow. Congrats, that's huge. Huge. To 74, wow. That's dope. I do what I can. It's good vibes today. It's because you guys are bringing the good vibes. Magneto on the Ultra Abilities. 25 of 31. Wow, look at that card. Did you, Oliver? What'd you do with it? Magneto on the Ultra Abilities. We'll just add that to Deadpool. Nice base green foils. And last pile. Here we go. Cute little Jean Grey. Ooh, I thought that was gold or something. Ah! Deadpool on the X. Wow, I haven't seen Deadpool look like that before. Looks all dark and twisted. Deadpool. 2 great Ultra Abilities. Agreed. Not just any Ultra Abilities, but Deadpool and Magneto. We got a Deadpool on the X. that numbered? No, but still dope. Yes, we are killing it, team. Killing it. All right. That was pretty good. Let's do a recap. Ultra abilities. All right. We have our blue foils, our X's. Yes, this is the other X. This was the low numbered X to 9 of Sebastian Shaw. I will beat the sort on that. Our 2 ultra abilities, our 3x3s, and the beautiful Jean Grey Artist Auto, numbered to 74. We'll beat the sort on that one too. All right, guys, that was the Upper Deck Marvel Fleer Ultra Wolverine 2-box. Pick your parallel, break number 85. Thanks for watching. Bye.